a message to Holness. Yes, sir. The last time, Mr. Holness, during the pandemic, you remember the Jamaicans that were working on the ship, sir, that landed in Jamaica, and you would not allow them to get off the ship to go home. Them have to turn back the ship. I spoke up against it and got Claude Mills involved. We interviewed the people, and we came down on you very hard and make sure said the people them could come home, go home. How the fuck ship fill land in Jamaica? And you said Jamaicans can't come off of the ship. Well, that was where you started your fuckery, Mr. Holness. Then you decide to get back at me. So you wait till me reach Jamaica. And when me see the so-called delegates will come to lock me up, the so-called superior people when I send a Jamaica to lock me up, I 3 times in a pull GUN for me in the one day. Little Amari, 3 times the man put in GUN for me. Just because I said to him, if you're saying that I should have on a mask, shouldn't you have on a mask too, sir? You get what I mean? But you know why they were so bold? Because they were instructed to treat me that way because you malice me from me talk out against you on Facebook. I don't respect you, especially being that Vybz Kartel is in jail and you have a nurse to go home at your yard and yam dinner at night time and go at your blood clot bed. You understand? And you Holness, the world is watching and see what is going on with Mr. Kartel. We are watching. And I'm going to see what the pum-pum clot you're going to do about it. But if Vybz Kartel should die in jail, woe be unto your blue clot. Because you know, if you know if certain people are enemy, you can tell by their actions. Why these people in government call on artists to give them dub plates? You know, Kamar McGregor, no me really understand the song where y'all give me for singing, You give these people, you call on the artists them. When me do Nico, you call on me for a Nico dub plate. When you run election, you call upon the artists them. Why the artists them can't call upon you know? The man have been in jail for all this time for a crime that he say he have not committed. And you know, have him there. Till it just seem like a personal thing. But let the law deal with that. But it is international news right now that Vybz Kartel is sick. And you Holness, what are you going to do about it? And you Holness, it is totally inhumane for somebody to be sick in jail and you don't make sure that they are taken care of, that they get full medical, professional guidance, care and needs. I haven't heard the latest news. So I hope at this time while I'm speaking that Vybz Kartel is being taken care of. And you know, in a facility in Jamaica to take care of Kartel. You understand? Kartel need to be flown to Miami. You understand? The man I have a heart problem. And if somebody as young as him have a heart problem, you must know that it is very serious. So I don't know the blood clot here go my night time and a yam pork and I sit back and turn a remote. And not considering that time is ticking away and that Kartel need to be in a facility with the best professionals to take care of him. Because as far as I'm concerned, who's supposed to be speaking out is not speaking out, you know. Spice, you is one of them a Kartel boss. Yes, you are, and it's the thing, that's the thing about me and you, you know, your dirty ways. When you speak, you now speak out. You know what it's like to have an emergency need. Because the other day, a helicopter fly you from Dominica to Miami when you was at Death's Gate. And now the man where open up the doors and bust you in the industry. Why don't you use your platform and call upon Jamaica? Or since as you a blood clot big, that's you even chosen for a Grammy. Get the Prime Minister number and call him up and speak on Cartel behalf. What are you doing? Well, me don't know everything. You might have give some money for lawyer or whatever, but Cartel don't need that. But your voice is very important. That's why me and you not chat. Because me did ask you to speak up for me and my children, and you refuse to speak up for them. So what the fuck are you here for as Queen of Dancehall, apart from show your pum pum on stage? And to sing all of the cock up body song them. You need to put your dirty pussy clot online and speak up for Cartel. Not just you, but the dirty bad-minded male artists them. You understand? That's when you need to do. Like footer hype with them bad mind review. People like need to get out there, come on the platform. Imagine the power of a lot of us coming together and say, make sure, we're not say free Cartel. We're not saying that. We are saying make sure that he get help in regards to his health. Because when the thing I go reach as far as, I wish ABC, where them name news, me go see it pan, It make Jamaica look bad. Me can't understand saying a thief bolts money. Billions of dollars after him elevate Jamaica to the fucking peak. You understand? I mean, never understand that. But that don't even cool down and make the world see how treating our own people. Me now have to tell the world how treat me, Kind of treat me like dog pants thing. Just treat me good until the plane land and everybody say the plane land and Amari reach. And after everybody say Amari reach, because people say they not buy them ticket until them see Amari reach. And then the tickets them go up online. Everything crash online. Ask nothing. And then when you do, Rastla, they won't even pick me up for the show. Not even pick up. So we know, say you have some heartless, dirty people in Jamaica, but it's not the poor people them. It's the bigger heads. Me say, come on, McGregor, give me a song. And me can't wait for going in a studio and dirty no up. Because I try to say the thing, but it now come out the right way. But I'm calling on the government of Jamaica to look at this situation with Vybz Kartel. Look into the matter. Look over the medical documents them. Call in your own medical team if you're not trustworthy. And to get Vybz Kartel immediate help. Immediate help. We're not talking about no lazy prisoner round here. We're not just putting a prisoner and them yam food and work out. We're talking about someone who have been in jail, still making it after it, still calling upon God, still a motivator for children and for everyone. You understand? Someone who don't give up. And I ain't see one even say forgiveness. If so be it. You understand? And this is somebody that is known on the international market that should not be ignored like this. That should not be disrespected like this. It should not look as if this person have done nothing for Jamaica. It should not seem as if this person is not important. Why important people around here treat them like them is nobody? It is totally wrong. This is not anybody asking for help. This is Vybz Kartel. And Mr. President and Prime Minister, you need to do something about this. One day my voice will speak up for all Jamaicans in regards to the healthcare system, starting from pregnant women to the elderly, and of course to the people in jail. Because everyone is innocent until proven guilty. But within a corrupt system, the guilty is found innocent and the innocent is found guilty. You get what I'm saying? So this is where it begins. This is where it starts. Because I have to speak up for one of our own, somebody when me look up to, somebody who is my mentor. And somebody will give me the first break as an artist, Vybz Kartel. You get what I mean? But soon I will stand up for the poor and for all of the unfortunate. But right now, we need to go tell it on the mountains, over the hills, everywhere. Call up the radio stations. Voice our opinions in regards to people where I going to say, it is out of my hands. That is out of my league. That is not my duty. It is the justice system. Justice system, a blue clot. And I always blame things upon computer or tell me it's the law. No, I'm talking to you as an individual. I'm asking you something, Andrew Holness. If you did have a son in jail with a heart problem, wouldn't you want to make sure that he gets help? Why is Vybz Kartel still sitting in jail at this moment? And if him even out, why you take so long? We don't need no funeral around here. The man have him family to live for. The man have given a lot to Jamaica. The man have put Jamaica on the map. The man is still the leading artist out of Jamaica. Give him some fucking